Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about the last series of HP Allied question paper series, and here we will discuss about 60 questions of HP GK. So without any further ado, let's get started. हमारा जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वो है डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फिशरीज गवर्नमेंट ऑफ एचपी अंडर ब्लू रेवोल्यूशन हैज़ envisaged construction of how many hectare new ponds and trout units in the state by 2022 और इसका जो सही आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन बी जो है 1000 hectare new ponds and 1000 trout units. Next question है which of the following is the driest place in Himachal Pradesh due to rain shadow effect? इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन सी दैट इज स्पीति. हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है नेम द आर्यन किंग हु डिफीटेड द किरातास पावरफुल किंग शाम्भर in the war that lasted for 40 years and the right answer is option C that is Devodas. हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है प्रायनो झांझरारा दमचलशिस और दोघरी आर द टाइप्स ऑफ व्हाट अमंग्स द ट्राइब्स ऑफ HP और इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है बी दैट इज़ मैरिज. हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फेयर वॉज कंसीव्ड बाय W. Goldstein, the then superintendent of Shimla Hill States और the right answer is option D that is Nalwari. Our next question is which of the following battle was fought on 28 January 1846 between the British led by Sir Harry Smith and the Sikhs led by Ranjot Singh Majithia, and the right answer is option C that is Battle of Aliwal. Our next question is who started a land revenue settlement in Chamba in 1876 which resulted in a considerable gain to the state finances, and the right answer is option D that is Colonel Reed. Our next question is which Gram Panchayat of HP has been selected among 20 Gram Panchayats from all over the country for the national level Rashtriya Gaurav Gram Panchayat Award 2017, and the right answer is option D that is Kuthed. हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है विच इज़ द हाइएस्ट पीक ऑफ किन्नौर इसका सही आंसर ऑप्शन सी दैट इज़ लियो पार्जल और रियो पार्गल. अगला क्वेश्चन है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रोडक्ट इज़ नॉट रजिस्टर्ड अंडर द जोग्राफिकल इंडिकेशंस GI ऑफ गुड्स एक्ट 1999 और इसका जो सही आंसर है वो है डी दैट इज़ सिरमौरी लॉ. हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है who amongst the following from Kullu was the member of an all-women navy crew named Tarini for circumnavigating the globe, and the right answer is option D that is Lieutenant Commander Pratibha Jamwal. Our next question is who is the author of the book The Himalayan District of Kullu, Lahaul and Spiti? इसका जो सही आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन सी दैट इज़ AFP Harcourt. हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है मैच द फॉलोइंग लिस्ट्स एंड द करेक्ट आंसर फ्रॉम गिवन कोड्स बी सिलेक्टेड. हमारे लिस्ट वन में जो फर्स्ट नंबर है वो है फर्स्ट वोटर ऑफ इंडियन डेमोक्रेसी, तो वो थे श्याम सरन. सेकंड है फर्स्ट लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर ऑफ HP, वो थे हिम्मत सिंह. फर्स्ट स्पीकर ऑफ HP लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली, वो थे जयवंत राम. नेक्स्ट है फर्स्ट चीफ सेक्रेटरी ऑफ HP और वो थे KL मेहता. इसी के साथ हमारा जो आंसर है वो ऑप्शन सी इज़ द राइट आंसर. Our next question is who was the architect of Gorton Castle at Shimla, and the right answer is option B that is SS Jacob. Next question is to meet the Sustainable Development Goals SDGs by 2030, what aim has been set up by the Department of Forests to enhance the forest cover in the state? And the right answer is option C that is 30% of its geographical area. Our next question is what is the approximate contribution of tourism sector to the state GDP? And the right answer is 6.6% option B. Next question is which is the pass at an elevation of 4890 meters where roads from Jhaskar, Ladakh, Spiti and Lahaul meet, and the right answer is Baralacha Pass option A. Our next question is who, according to famous philologist Grierson, were the earlier known Indo-Aryans of the Himalayan tract, and the right answer is Khasas option B. Next question is, who built the Bhutnath temple and founded the present Mandi town in 16th century? And the right answer is option A, that is Raja Ajbar Sen. Our next question is, which of the following paintings have got geographical indicator GI that has given them a unique identity in world market? And the right answer is option A, that is Kangra paintings. Our next question is, who was considered one of the great masters of Pahari miniature painting during the reign of Raja Sansar Chand of Kangra? And the right answer is option B, that is Manaku. Our next question is, which of the following is the oldest princely state in HP which finds mention in the Mahabharata, the Purans and the work of Panini? And the right answer is Trigarth, जिसे अब हम कांगड़ा के नाम से जानते हैं. Our next question is, who built the temple of goddess Naina Devi on one of the seven dhars now called Dhar Naina Devi? And the right answer is option A, that is Raja Bir Chand. Our next question is, which of the following district of HP was declared as a backward district among the 115 districts selected by the Government of India in keeping with its vision of a new India by 2022? And the right answer is option B, that is Chamba. Our next question is, under silk production program, a foreign species basic silk seed station is functioning at which place that produces commercial seeds? And the right answer is option B, Nagrota. Next question is, which valley of Kinnaur is connected with Uttarakhand with several passes? And the right answer is Baspa Valley, option B. Next question is, in the year 1804, who was invited to invade Kangra, Sansar Chand by the rulers of Bilaspur, Mandi, Chamba and other small rulers of Kangra area jointly? And the right answer is Amar Singh Thapa, option C. Our next question is, name the ruler of Rampur Bushar who received the Hangrang Valley from Tibet as a Jagir and also right to free trade between Tighat and Bushar state. And the right answer is option D, that is Raja Kehri Singh. Our next question is, Pin Valley has been declared a National Wildlife Conservation Park for the protection of which animal? And the right answer is snow leopard, option C. Next question is, the idea of Viceregal Lodge was conceived by Lord Lytton, yet first to reside there was, and the right answer is option D, that is Lord Dufferin. Next question is, who was the first and only recipient of Tagore Samman from Himachal Pradesh? And the right answer is option B, that is Gambhari Devi. Our next question is, in which village of HP the country's highest polling station has been set up at a height of 15,256 feet? And the right answer is option A, that is Tashigang. Next question is, which of the following police station of HP became the first police station of the state to have been linked with a crime and criminal tracking network system, that is CCTNS? And the right answer is Sanjoli Police Station, option A. हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, मैच लिस्ट 1 एंड लिस्ट 2 एंड सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट आंसर फ्रॉम द कोड्स बिलो. अब फर्स्ट लिस्ट में हमें इलेक्ट्रो प्रोजेक्ट्स दिए हुए हैं एंड सेकंड लिस्ट में हमें रिवर्स दिए हैं. हमें ये मैच करना है कि जो इलेक्ट्रिक प्रोजेक्ट हैं वो कौन सी रिवर्स पे बने हैं. चलिए देखते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है रोंगटोंग हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक प्रोजेक्ट जो बना है सतलुज रिवर के ऊपर. नेक्स्ट है बनेर हाइड्रो प्रोजेक्ट जो बना हुआ है ब्यास रिवर के ऊपर. नेक्स्ट है गिरी हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक प्रोजेक्ट जो बना है यमुना के ऊपर. नेक्स्ट है चमेरा हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक प्रोजेक्ट जो बना है रावी के ऊपर. इसी के साथ हमारा जो आंसर है वो बन जाता है ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज़ BEDC. हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हाउ मेनी विलेजेस हैव बीन आइडेंटिफाइड इन द स्टेट ऑफ HP ड्यूरिंग द ईयर 2018 to 19 फॉर क्रिएशन ऑफ मॉडल इको विलेजेस एंड एनवायरमेंटली साउंड सस्टेनेबल कम्युनिटी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम? राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, 11. Next question is, what was the plan outlay for roads and bridges in HP during the year 2018 to 19? And the right answer is 955.15 crore. Next question is on 15th April 1948, which of the following princeless states were merged into Himachal Pradesh without alteration of their boundaries? And the right answer is option D, that is Sirmaur and Chamba. Next question is which of the following river is fed by the Himachal Pradesh's largest glacier, Bada Shigdi? And the right answer is option C, that is Chenab. Next question है who was the ruler of Bharmor during the later 7th century AD when the Kashmiri style of art entered in HP? And the right answer is Meru Varmar, option B. Next question is who were the earliest inhabitants of Himachal? And the right answer is option A, that is Dasads, Nishads and the Sioux. Next question is who transferred the seat of government from Brahmpura, Bharmor to the new capital founded at Chamba? And the right answer is option C, that is Sahil Varman. Our next question is which of the following is not the breed of poultry introduced in the state to improve the quality of poultry? And the right answer is option A, Rome Bullet. Next question is the person and guiding force who motivated a master weaver, Mr. Ved Ram Thakur, a private entrepreneur, to join Bhutiko was, and the right answer is Gurcharan Singh, option B. Next question is Betas are the community of professional dancers of which district? And the right answer is option D, that is Lahaul Spiti. Next question is which was the first play put on in the Gaiety Theatre? And the right answer is Time Will Tell, option A. Next question is who amongst the following is not the Everester? And the right answer is option D, Ajay Sharma. Next question is the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India sanctioned first Eklavya model residential school in HP was opened at which place of the state? And the right answer is option A, that is Nichar. Next question is match list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer from the codes given below. इसका सही आंसर है option C, that is CBAD. Now list 1 is Sesta, that is Amrita Shergill. Next is the first health minister of India, that is Nicholas Roerich. Next is Himawat, that is Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. Next is Sati, that is Nora Richard. Our next question is first MO breeding farm in HP set up by the Easy Way with a multi-level marketing company was at, and the right answer is Gandwal, that is option B. Next question is Telangi selection and Riba selection etc. are the local varieties of which dry fruit, and they are the varieties of almond, option C. Next question is Lahaul Spiti district covers the largest area of the state of HP, which comes to what percentage of total area of the state? And the right answer is 24.85%, option A. Next question is in Rig Ved, which of the following river is not found mentioned flowing through Himachal Pradesh? And the right answer is option A, that is Yamuna. Next question is which of the following town of HP doesn't celebrate the Dashera festival by burning effigies of Ravan, Meghnad and Kumbhkarn? And the right answer is option B, that is Bajnath. Next question is in which of the Purans the Kinnars are said to be the inhabitants of Mahananda mountains? And the right answer is option A, that is Vayu Puran. Next question is who was the first European to visit Kullu on his way to Ladakh in 1820 AD? And the right answer is option B, that is Moorcraft. Next question is which of the following valley is called as granary and orchard of Lahaul Spiti? And the right answer is Patan Valley, option D. Next question is where is Chinmay Tapovan in HP is situated? And the right answer is Dharamshala, option B. Next question is to encourage rural and tribal girls to join school and study, the Nelson Mandela Sadbhavna Award and Certificate of Excellence 2017 was conferred on, and the right answer is option C, that is Hemlata Upadhyay. Next question is on which of the following railway route the glass roof see-through Vista Dome coach was introduced on 11th December 2018? And the right answer is option A, that is Kalka Shimla. Last question of this series is: the Ministry of Posts and Telegraph has not released postal stamp on which of the following? And the right answer is option D, that is the Ridge Shimla. So guys, that's all for this series and I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned. And if you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.